Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin ito ng reaction video. Ang TikTok compilation ng Don Bell, BCC Lulusunig yan. Lately, kaya hindi siya nakakasat sa kanilang update. So ako nilang gagawa since something like 3 days na ata ako hindi nakakagawa ng reaction video sa Don Bell. So without further ado, let's all watch this. To be loved and to be loved. Ay, sige, bago ba ito? Hindi luma, compilation pala ito. Compilation pala ito. Okay. Ay, oo. Okay. Yung nota niya talaga, alam mo, makakarapit ko yung talaga. As in, sobrang galing niya talaga. Alam mo yung wait lang, alam mo yung kahit walang dialogue, kahit wala siyang sinasabi, yung facial expression niya lang yung nakikita natin. Pero damang-dama mo yung drama niya. Kaya sinasabi ko, pang-famas na talaga siya. Pang-heavy, hindi lang pang-famas, pang-gawad, urian, and everything. Kasi ang heavy niya na talaga mag-drama. Ramdam na ramdam mo na yung emosyon. Dito ko makitaan si Bella, hindi na siya basta magaling mag-game. Kahit sa drama pa naman, iba na siya. Sa kanya, wow. Sa totoo lang. What's next? Ay, ano naman, mamaya ka dito. Bago to? Alam ko, bago lang to. Bago lang to, feeling ko, 1 hour ako lang na-print. Diba? Bago ba to? Ano ba? Ano ba? Diba talaga yung smile nito? Diba? Okay. Ay, gusto ko to. Hindi ko sila talaga mag-kiss. Nose to nose. I love this song. Your guys' favorite mom ko yan. Okay. Ay, tapos na. Okay. Ay, ano to? Ano to? Hindi pa ako ready. Saan? Ang ganda ng dress ni Belle. I love the gown. I forgot, saan entrance to? Saan entrance to? Yung sa labas, sa taas. Yung sa taas na na video. Kasi sa baba yung media ko nila yan eh. Diba? If I'm not mistaken, ang ganda ng dress ni okay.
Relasyon sa isang tao na iba ang background at may ibang paniniwala sa'yo, nakaka-hustle o nakaka-happy?
Ay.
Ano pong klaseng paniniwala?
Beliefs, religions,
mahirap yung
values.
Iba yun eh. I think that's a big thing.
Yeah.
Ibang background, that's fine. But ibang beliefs and values.
Mahirap yun.
Mahirap pa eh.
Bakit okay sa'yo yung ibang background okay? Pero yung beliefs hindi. Yung background, bakit okay?
I don't think you define a person based on their background, but I think it's based on what you see and how they reflect on
Talino.
Tayo iba't ibang past yan, iba't ibang pinanggalingan.
Tama. Talino ni Ben. Ang galing yun.
Napanis ako bilang mga
Ewan ko sa'yo nalay. Ay, ano to? Uy. Ay, oo, hindi. Nakita ko na pala nag-play ng piano si Belle sa mga previous concerts niya. Ang ganda ni Ben. Tingnan mo, hindi pa yan inayos yung buhok niya, ha? Sa totoo lang. Yan yung ayos ni Ben na parang nagmamadali, pero ang ganda niya pa din. Baby girl siya ni Donnie talaga.
Wala ka ng trabaho, sir.
Sa totoo lang.
Wala ka ng trabaho. Kinuha na.
Kinuha na. Kinuha na. Wala na work. Kinuha niya na. Hello? Hello? Chay. Ako, no, lalaki siguro. Mukhang lalaki. Okay. Okay.
One GMC pack. Name your price. I'm willing to give you any. One GMC pack. Name your price. I'm willing to give you any.
Okay. Ay, ito, bago to. Bago pala to. Then, pangarap ko makita ang Ronald ito. So, sabi natin mga bago. Okay. What's next? Ay, ito. Ito ang yung ginagano, yung soft rub. Gentle rub ang tawag doon. Talaga. Feeling ko habang ginaganya yan, gentle ito. Kasi naman, ang tangkad niya, Ang tangkad niya talaga. Okay, what's next? Ay, 2 days ago, ginagano. So, ito bago. Pero mayroon buwan lang siguro ito. Ganda ng kulay. Okay na ba? Dahil napalabas sa kaputian. Anyways. Yun, pero on liquidity set. Ayan.
Wow. Well, I think you go through the entire process. First, syempre, hindi mo matatanggap na may ganong criticism sa'yo. But by the end of the day, that's still up to you. It's your choice whether you'll take it into heart or not.
Talino niya talaga sumagot.
But again, I think now I'm just really learning and absorbing everything, learning from every experience as I
Ang talino niya, full of substance talaga siya sumagot, be.
yun, I try to absorb it and realize the things and what I can improve on, and life goes on.
Yeah. Totoo kasi, syempre gumagawa tayo ng teleserye.
Life goes on.
Posibleng walang constructive criticisms. And kailangan mo rin. Kasi maybe there are things that hindi mo na nanotice sa sarili mo. But there's a fine line also between constructive criticism and just plain like what, if you're gonna troll the person or whatever. So you have to know the difference too. Which is why it's important you have people around you who also tell you these things and will show you like a mirror of, uy, hindi okay yan, or you could work on this better. So
True.
having that heart of wanting to learn and eager to grow is, I think, very important. Kasi you shouldn't settle for kung anong meron, diba? Kasi you always want to look for more growth and look for more
No,
you
it's...
haven't done before.
Constructive criticism.
Tapos na pala. Alright, there you go. Visit us our for today's video, the Dawn Bell Tits Compilation. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on the next one. Bye!